G'day everyone. I thought I'd talk to you about basically giving brides or clients more than what they'd ever expect to get. And this is one of the interesting things that I've now been able to do, particularly now that I'm shooting Sony. It's given me the ability to give clients something that they just don't realise they're going to get until they come and see their actual viewing. And I thought I'd talk to you about that because it is sometimes much better to give, say, a bride something that is going to blow her away, even though it might not be the best, say, video that you've shot. But giving her something extra and unexpected can make a real difference when they come to view their work. This is also how that you can give things, you'll get referrals. And a lot of my work that I get is actually from referrals from other brides or bridesmaids or their family or friends that see their work and they share it, and therefore I end up getting more work. And remember that the more that the bride thinks you've given her, the more that she's likely to promote you to other people, and this is where it's so important. Now, what I thought I'd talk about is how Sony particularly have helped me do this. As you know, I do shoot fusion, so I'm shooting video and stills at the same time. And having that ability to be able to do that just at the spur of the moment really is a game changer for me in the way that I've been able to work. So this little video I'm going to show you, I'm only not going to show you all of it. You're just going to see basically from when they enter the reception to where they start dancing. And the shock part is where they actually do the dancing part. They basically put this dance routine together in the ceremony or in the reception, and I was only hired to do stills. So I am only hired to do stills at this case, and I'll talk to you a little bit about that after we've looked at this video. So I'm going to play it now.
Can I take you out tonight? Kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You'll make me crazy in that good way. So come on baby, let's talk about love. Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need, so let's talk about love. 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 I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. I've got something on my mind. Let's talk about love. Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need, so let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
So to talk about what I've actually done there, look, I'm not saying that's the best video you'll ever see, because it's not. But it's more about emotion and what I actually captured there. Like I said to you, I was hired to do the video part of this, the stills part of this. And basically I was firing away. Obviously I had another photographer there. My wife Kerry actually was shooting second shooter. She was getting other images, so we were both shooting stills. But because this dance was so dynamic, all I did was I just pressed the record on the camera as I went. So I just stopped shooting stills for a minute and pressed the record on the camera. So even though I was in photographic mode, all I did was press the record. And that's the footage that I was actually able to get. Now, they were handheld. So all those videos that you just saw where the dancers were dancing and everything was all handheld. I didn't have tripods, I didn't have anything to hold it, gimbals or anything, so I just stood there, held the camera and shot away. And this basically, when I've given it, I'm going to give that to the bride tonight, and I'm sure she's going to be just blown away by it. But again, it's something extra that you can just give someone to give a little bit of a difference to what other photographers are offering you. Now, some other cameras you wouldn't be able to do that. I shot that, it was in 4K. I just shot it, like I said, handheld. All I did was, the exposure stayed the same, all I did was press record. Now the shutter speed may have been high, I can't remember exactly what it was, but it didn't matter for this case because for me it's more about capturing that moment and that feeling on the day. And I really wanted to share this with you because I thought it might help you with offering something a little bit different that you can give your clients that may give you that point of difference in getting other work. So let me know in the comment box down below what you think about that. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I'm really glad that I did that. And it's something, like I said, they just won't expect to get. So I'd love to know your thoughts. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye for now.